Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to connect Figma to Visual Studio Code. So let's dive in. First, open your Visual Studio Code. Then you want to head to the left sidebar and click on the Extensions tab. Then search bar, just type in Figma. There we go. And you should see the official extension called Figma for VS Code. Click on it. Then you want to choose Install. There we go. Once done, you should notice a new Figma icon appear in the left menu. All you have to do is just click on it. Then to log in, just click on Restart Login Flow. Now, this will launch you to the browser and you'll sign into your Figma account. And if you already have one, just log in and it'll connect automatically. And that's it. That's how you connect Figma to Visual Studio Code. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!